Here I have ALCATEL U3, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Play Store. Then you have to tap here, go to the My Apps and Games, and here you can see all of your unupdated apps. You can tap on this update button next to them and update them one by one. You can tap on the update all and update all the apps at the same time, but this could take some time. So it's for you to decide how you want to update them. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.